Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the best carriers to buy the latest iPhones, iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max. After researching the latest deals and offers available from different carriers, we have narrowed down the top 3 options: AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile.
AT&T offers the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models at no cost when you trade in an eligible smartphone and put the new device on an unlimited data plan. They also have discounts of up to $830 for the iPhone 15 Plus and up to $1,000 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max with an eligible smartphone trade-in on a qualifying installment agreement. Additionally, AT&T has marked down the iPhone 14 family of smartphones to as low as $15 per month for iPhone 14 and 14 Pro, and $20 per month for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Verizon offers up to $1,000 off any iPhone 15 model with any iPhone trade-in, which means you can get the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro at no cost. Existing customers upgrading can get up to $830 off the new iPhone 15 lineup on unlimited plans. Verizon is also offering discounts on Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 when purchased alongside select iPhones with a qualified watch trade-in.
Please note that these deals and offers may vary depending on your location and eligibility criteria. It's always a good idea to visit the carrier's website or contact their customer support for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Based on the available information, all 3 carriers offer attractive deals for purchasing the new iPhones. AT&T provides discounts on both trade-ins and installment agreements, while Verizon offers substantial savings with trade-in rebates. T-Mobile offers free iPhones with eligible device trade-ins. The choice between these carriers ultimately depends on your specific needs, such as network coverage, pricing plans, and customer service. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching. I have mentioned all the carrier links in the description.